Hello everyone, this is Narendra Matta. Once again, a free class at evening 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. today. So I request you to please come and join. And here we will discuss permutation, combination and probability. It's a very important topic for the bank exam point of view. Permutation combination followed by probability. You can see that in a permutation combination there is a committee formed and many other question comes, and along with that we will be discussing the probability here. The rolling of dice or the tossing of coin or picking of a card, which very frequently comes in bank exam. So please do join me at 7 p.m. and 1 hour class, and it's free. Even if you are not a student of an academy, you can come and join here. And here my referral code, that's Narendra07. If you want to join in an academy, please use this referral code, and then we will be getting 10% discount on the course fees. Okay, now coming to this part, my upcoming course. What is that? So a course, I am going to launch a new course on an academy platform on 29, and 29 there will be two courses getting launched, and this course is at 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and this is about arithmetic. You can see the topic: profit ratio, proportion, variation, quadratic equation on partnership, mensuration, time in work, and number series, time in distance. These things will be discussed, and there will be another batch, and that is from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. and here it's a data interpretation batch. So that every day we discuss the different type of data interpretation, which is very useful for upcoming all bank exams. So if you are not enrolled till now, then enroll it. These two batches will be a paid batch, and evening 7 p.m. that free batch will continue. So if you want to enroll, once again I repeat this, use this referral code Narendra07 and you will be getting a 10% discount on the course fees. How do you search my name? Go to the Unacademy web and then find out Narendra Matta, and you will find all my upcoming course, including the one which you can see here. Thank you very much. I am waiting to see you at 7 p.m. today. Thank you.